Hello, today's video I'll show you how to fix mostly common error. This site cannot be reached. Okay, this is my site. My site is running now. But when we access WP admin, then site will be error. What is error? This site cannot be reached. How to fix this problem? When your site shows this kind of error, then first log in your cPanel. Okay. I also log in my cPanel, and after cPanel and then PHP my admin. After PHP my admin, here we go to WP options. Then we see the first row HTTPS and second one is HTTP. Here we change HTTPS to HTTP. Okay. Then change this one first and update, and again refresh. Okay. Then my problem is solved. Thank you so much.